Okay, guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, so obviously, with it being Thursday, we have jobless claims. So, what do we have later on? We have jobless claims, we have a Fed Bowman speech, Fed Williams speech, Fed Bostic speech. So, there's going to be quite a lot of volume in the market until later on. But the main one is the continuing jobless claims. Short term, gold is now stronger than the USD. Unfortunately, we lost like 0.7% yesterday. Made most of it back from US 500, but it was worth taking the risk on gold. More than likely, it is going to move to the upside with the war and stuff, so going to look for potential longs on that today as well. Long term and medium term, it's still stronger than the USD, so potential moves to the upside. With US 100, we did move to the downside yesterday. Again, we're in a nice downtrend now, so potentially going to see a sell today to the 17300 level. So we're going to look for sales today all the way down to that level. More than likely is going to go short, but we'll only trade it if we see a really good sell. So looking for a sell today. Nice level right now. So we'll see what happens. US 30, basically the same. Yesterday was bearish. It didn't have that much of a good move yesterday, but still looking for sales today. Still in a nice downtrend. Still got plenty of room to move to the downside here to this level. Today could be super bearish, but to be honest, it is a bit extended. This could be the start of the bullishness. So we do need to see an exhaustion at some point. When we see a move to the downside or to the upside, we have to see some kind of exhaustion to then continue moving upwards. We haven't seen any exhaustion yet, so I'm very aware that we need to see some kind of move to the upside before we can continue moving down. So just be wary of that we could be the end of the move down, extend, exhaustion, and then the continued move. That's just how the market moves. Push, exhaustion, continued move. So we will possibly see a day of bullishness soon. Could be today, but if we get a bearish engulfing, more than likely it's not going to be today. So that will be the reason why we sell. Okay, so gold. We did place trade here yesterday. Stop loss was here. We exited around about here, which is absolutely fine because today we have actually touched the uptrend. So today I'm looking for a minor exhaustion and then a continued move. So we've already bounced. Little minor move to the downside. Again, I'm going to be looking for this when jobless claims come out because that's going to more than likely move this to the upside and give us a trade. So around about 2 p.m., that's where we're going to be looking for a trade on gold. So keep your eyes open for this one. The British pound against the yen now. Now, this did see exhaustion, but it didn't see buyer pressure come back into the market. It literally moved down and then now we've come back above. Honestly, price action's a little bit ugly right now. Kind of in this consolidation phase. But basically the same setup as yesterday. Minor exhaustion here. You could actually see a trade on this today, to be fair. And then a move to the upside to the all-time high of this year of 193,500. It's not got that much room until we actually see a touch of this monthly zone here. Not got long at all. So I think this could happen today. What are the fundamentals? Fundamentals are British pound minus 1.1, yen minus 3.6. Not that great, but could be a lot better in the Great British pound's favour in an hour or so. The Great British pound against USD now. So the Great British pound against USD, we did say that we're going to see some kind of move to the upside. We are in the same consolidation as in Great British pound against the yen. The best move will be to the downside, but if you do want to catch the move to the upside, again, minor exhaustion down to this key level here. We've seen sell pressure here previously, a little bit of buy pressure, sell pressure. Minor exhaustion, move to the upside, and then you can look for your sells later on. Probably Friday, to be honest. Friday or Monday. I think it could move up today, consolidate on Friday, and then Monday, Tuesday next week, we actually see the big move to the downside. So that's what you're looking for on the Great British pound against USD. Last one now, Euro USD. So if you have any that you want me to go through, then please type them in now. Okay, so Euro USD has come to the zone that I wanted it to. So we've seen the exhaustion. We can get rid of that. Literally just looking for a move to the downside now. Again, when am I more than likely going to place my trade? Well, when jobless claims has come out, because this is going to start this move. And then obviously all these other speeches and all these other things are going to probably continue it in the direction that I want and in the direction of my trade. So Euro USD, Great British pound against USD and gold. We're going to be looking for trades at the jobless claims. So 13:30 that comes out. The hourly close will be at 2. So that's when we will be placing our trades on those. More than likely on gold though, because it has the fundamentals to move to the upside. So if we can get a trade on this, we will. Not really been that great. It's like consolidated this week so far. So today could be the move to the upside. Decent moves on US 100 this week recently. So very happy we've taken a short on this soon. Would you go for a short on US 100 now? I wouldn't. Personally, there's no volume in the market. It could honestly continue moving down now because it has hit that level. So it's completely down to you. Sometimes it does move during London. So you can do what you want. I just have a rule that I don't trade it until the US Open. Because that's when the volume is, that's when most of the moves happen. So yeah, I just like to do it during then. But it's completely down to you. Whatever you want to do. If your strategy is based on just purely levels, yeah, it's at that level now. If you have your SL above, more than likely it is going to continue moving. So yeah. Could you check DAX 40? This one. Monthly. A minute. Not really great, is it, to be fair? Don't have that much history on it, but we can try. So we have this major key level here, which has been broken. Same as all indices, to be fair. We can put another one here. So it seems as though now it's probably going to see the downtrend touch this level, move to the upside. Because we broke the high, more than likely going to see a downward trend and then move to the upside. Very hard to find levels on this, to be honest. So with this one, I would say that was a nice move yesterday. Very nice move. So yeah, yesterday was bearish. The day before was bearish. It's basically in a very nice downtrend here. What you're looking for is for it to continue with this downtrend. It's potentially going to move to the upside, tap a level like this, 4-hour level of liquidity. Just like it has done previously, and then continue moving down. I would have your TP as this level. Something kind of like that. Is that a head and shoulders? Where? So if this was to go down now, that would be a minor head and shoulders, but it's not a huge one, to be honest. It's not. It just looks like consolidation to me. The best head and shoulders are when it's like a really high impact one, where it's like a 4-hour one and stuff like that. Like if you're like looking at minor moves like this is a head and shoulders. Left, head, shoulder. That's a little bit better. But when you're looking at like minor ones like this, yeah, it is a head and shoulders, but it's mainly just consolidation. So I would honestly, if it does break here, then yeah, you can sell it. And then it's going to have an exhaustion to here again and then continue moving down. But more than likely, it's going to tap this level, just like it has done previously. Buyers come in, tap this level, and then move down. No worries, bro. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you guys for joining. Hope you learned something and have a great day at work, whatever you're doing. And I shall see you later on. Take care, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.